Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw a tennis racket and a ball. So let's start drawing. First, draw two diagonal lines parallel to each other at the bottom to make the handle. Connect them at the bottom with a curved line. Then connect them at the top with a straight line and decorate the handle with some diagonal stripes. Draw two lines coming out from the top of the handle and connect them together with a straight line at the top. A little bit away from the handle at the top, draw a triangle with pointy corners and make its sides a little bit curved. A little bit away from this triangle, at the top, draw a large oval shape. Draw two curved lines coming out from the top of the handle, one on each side of the triangle. Then connect them together with half an oval shape that's going all the way around to finish the head of the racket. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make the racket strings, draw some vertical lines inside the head. And some horizontal lines intersecting them. To make the tennis ball, draw a small circle. Then draw a letter S in its center. Match point. Now you can draw a tennis racket and a ball. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.